Dear student, last topic we are going to discuss visualizing the nation. In this visualizing the nation, represent a ruler through a portrait or statue. In the allegory, we discuss the female picture and different allegories were there of different nations. We will recall nationalism and imperialism. Nationalism, which is the feeling of love for one's own nation, became intense and narrow minded. In the mid 19th century, many nations become intolerant of each other and compete with one another for the control of territories. Imperialism is territorial control of a region or country by another country by using military control. This feeling of nationalism become intense in the Balkan region. The Balkan region formerly comprised the present day territories of Romania, Bulgaria, Macedonia, Croatia, Greece, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, Serbia, and Montenegro. The people in these countries were called slaves. The disintegration of the Ottoman Empire in the region made this situation very explosive in the region, as every state was jealous of one another and hoped to gain independence at the cost of the other. One by one, the European nationalists in the Balkan broke away from the control of the Ottoman Empire and declared independence. As the different Slavic nationalists struggled to define their identity and independence, the Balkan area became an area of intense conflict. During this time, many powerful European nations such as England, France, Russia, and Germany competed to gain control in the Balkan region. This competition for gaining prominence in the region finally led to the First World War in 1914. Later, several Asian and African countries which were controlled by the European nations began to oppose imperial domination. Anti-imperial movements that began in colonies were nationalist in nature, as people were fighting to form independent nation state. Here it is mentioned meaning of the symbols. These are the important meaning and symbols. Go through and note down in your notebook. In this lesson we discuss the rise of nationalism in Europe begin from French Revolution. Then unification of Germany, unification of Italy, unification of Britain, and to gain this unification, in unification of Britain, Scotland, Ireland, and visualizing the nation different type of portrait, allegory, the female figure, Balkan region. In this way, rise of nationalism spread in European country.